Hello guys, State 7 here. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the light sign text effect PSD file. The link is in the description. After you've downloaded the file, extract it and open the PSD file. Hide the information layer. Double-click on the smart object. Hide the old text layer, add your own text, you can use any font you like. Edit the position and layout. Hit Ctrl S to save, and exit the current document. To edit the secondary text, go to the group name subtext. Open it. Edit the text using the text tool. And adjust the position to your liking. If you open the color correction folder, you will find the scratches layer. You can increase its opacity by changing the fill amount, or hide it completely if you don't like it. You can also change the background color using a hue and saturation adjustment layer. This is it, guys. Have fun using this free template. You can tag us on Instagram at State7Studio, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video is uploaded.